Good day friends, this is Ramaswamy, President and National Head of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. This is morning updates of the market. Before going into today's market, we can see what happened in the yesterday's market. Yesterday's market was a very sluggish market. What we can say is the gap down opening was there, and market recovered the entire gap down and closed in the minor negative, maybe minus 4 points. I hope so. The market has closed in a very lesser range, that is minus 4 points. Yesterday Nifty closed with a negative of only 4 points, and Bank Nifty showed a very strong mood in the entire market. Yesterday Bank Nifty has closed around 345 points plus, with the closing range of 35,469.55. Yesterday top gainers were top 5 gainers. I have took top 5 gainers. Top 5 gainers is Eicher Motors, which is 4% up, and ONGC it is 3.25% up, and Tata Steel it was 3.05% up, and Dr. Reddy was shown a good recovery and 2.74% plus, and M&M showed a good positive sign, and it closed at 2.68% plus. And top losers were Bharati Airtel at 5%, lost its 5% value and traded at closed at 664. TCS also lost its value for 4.7%. It is due to the results. The market expectation was not met by the TCS in the result, so it came down for 4.7% and traded. And HCL Tech also traded at a lower level of 4.33% and closed at 935 rupees. And Infosys also, so entire tech stocks has shown a weakness due to the result of the TCS. Maybe what the market sentiment and market expects is the TCS has given a below expectation result, and the same can be expected with the all IT companies. That is why yesterday IT companies show some negative returns. Maybe Infosys also closed at around lesser 3% less than the previous day, and Bharat Petroleum BPCL 2.87%. These are the top losers and top gainers and losers in the yesterday's market. And maybe Nifty 50, 28 stocks closed in advances, and 22 stocks declined, and unchanged is 0. This is what happened in the yesterday's market. But yesterday's market, what it shown is Nifty is gaining some strength. But if you are a regular viewer of our YouTube channels, if you are a regular viewer of our Zebu School and Zebu, you can witness that we have told you the resistance level of Nifty. The resistance level of Nifty is around 16,250 to 300. This is what we told last week, and exactly the Nifty has touched the resistance level of 16,245, and it fell down to almost yesterday close was around yesterday's close was 16,203. So almost the Nifty was in the resistance level yesterday. And today we have witnessed, today morning we have witnessed a gap down opening of 100 points. Maybe now it is trading around, I'll check you. It is trading around 16,127 comparing to the previous close of 16,203. Around 80 points is in negative for the Nifty. And Bank Nifty, yesterday it is shown a very good strength, and now today it is also not that much fallen compared to the Nifty, and it is trading at around 35,390, wherein it lost 100 points compared to the previous close. Okay, what all it shows, what we can do for today. This is what we are going to see from today onwards in the morning updates. What we can do in the intraday. This is what we are going to see. As of today's opening, comparing to today's opening and previous close, Nifty is showing some weakness. It opened below the pivot point of 16,188, and it is trading at around a support of 16,122. 16,122 is a small support, wherein the Nifty has taken a support of 16,122 and trading at around 16,126 now. If a trader, what a trader has to do is, maybe today's market will move up and down. It will not be a trend market, single side. There will not be a single side movement in the market today. So market may go up slightly and come down. This is what the trend today. Maybe one can try a small long here. 16,122 is the medium term support. So one can try a long and can keep around some 20-25 points, 20 points as a stop loss, and can wait up to the market to move towards its pivot level of 16,188. Maybe from here market may recover its losses to 16,188 or 200 level, wherein yesterday's close was there. Like that, Bank Nifty also, it is opened below it is near to the pivot level itself, that is 35,370, and today's pivot level is 35,379. So Bank Nifty also may recover some of its losses and try to push towards 35,708. Wherein actually the entire trend, if we see the weekly trend of the market, entire week's trend of the market, the weekly pivot falls at 15,913. So the market is well above the weekly pivot. So it is not necessary that the market will fall from here and or else the market will move very drastically upwards. Market will be in the sideways for this day today. Maybe I am saying for the day, since the weekly pivot is below the well below the opening, we can see the market on a sideways only, because the daily pivot is very comparatively 60-70 points higher than today's opening. So the market will be in a sideways today. Like that, the Bank Nifty weekly pivot falls at 34,013 and today's pivot is 35,379. Bank Nifty may show some strength and it may catch up Nifty also to follow Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty maybe it will push up to 35,708 as a resistance. So there is one small resistance. So overall trend, what we see last week on a weekly update, we clearly told that Nifty is on a resistance zone at 16,250 to 300. So maybe you can witness a sell at that point of time. This is what we are giving for the today's level. And yesterday maybe what, yes, of course, we have discussed about the top gainers and top losers, as well as today's Nifty and Bank Nifty. So overall the view of the market for today will be on a sideways only. It will not be on a single side trending market. So be careful on your trades. Keep a clear stop loss, understand the support and resistance of the market. For your understanding, maybe I will give you another support of the market. 16,040 is the support, next support, wherein now the market is trading at around 16,122 is a minor support. So on the upper hand, we can see the resistance falls at 16,269, wherein the major resistance is also there. So we need to be careful on our positions, and as well as Bank Nifty's resistance is 35,708. Bank Nifty support, if you ask me, the Bank Nifty support, it falls at 35,159 and the next support will be 34,830. Friends, you can shoot your questions or doubts or queries related to the market, and we will try to clarify in the post-closing market whatever your doubts. We will try to answer your questions in the post-market sessions. Thanks for watching this live session.